Had a chance to drive the all-new 2024 Cadillac Escalade. I like to call it the Escalade because I'm me. That's the only reason why. Available trim levels. And I was kind of surprised at this. I did not know this. Comes in luxury, premium luxury, sport, premium luxury platinum, sport platinum, and V.
Yeah.
That's the high horsepower supercharged motor in that thing.
Betcha.
I had the four-wheel drive platinum. Okay? Standard SUV is what the government labels it as. I call it Mr. Big.
Yeah, the big honking horse.
It is huge. How many passengers? 7 or 8, depending on how you configure.
How you slice them.
On how you configure the second row seat. Is it going to be a bench, or are you going to have the buckets? I prefer the buckets. Exterior changes from last model year. All new in 2021. Oh, there's a tweak here, a tweak there to make it a little bit different and charge you a little bit more money, or a lot more money, whatever the case may be. Exterior features. This is a great big rectangle in the shape of a four-wheel drive passenger vehicle. It's big, man. If you set these body styles, the new body styles, this one came out in 2021, you set it up next to a 10-year-old, 15-year-old Suburban, you're going to go, oh my gosh, I had no clue how it's grown. It is swelled up to enormous sizes. Big grille opening with those squinty headlights, and it looks good. That front end is very distinctive, very Cadillac-y. Extra tall tail lights that reach the roof, all the way up to the roof, those rear tail lights. Interesting. Wheels and trim change with the trim level that you purchase. That's how they kind of distinguish themselves amongst all of them. As I told you, there are lots of trim levels available for you. What I liked, distinctively large vehicle with unique Cadillac styling cues. What could use improvement? I would say make the design more lyric-like. That if I were just to throw something out there,
I agree.
I would say, because that lyric,
It's beautiful. And it's not as the lyric's not as angular. It seems like they've kind of smoothed it out a little bit. But yeah,
Streamline.
that
Sleek.
angular thing has been a Cadillac style for a number of years. That's a design concept that they've stayed with.
Yeah, it's done them well,
and they've kept it on the Escalade.
Yeah, compare Cadillac with Lincoln,
Right.
Because those were the two main U.S. players. Well, Lincoln, what do they got? 3 old school designs.
And the Cadillac style does vary significantly from the sister vehicles of the Chevy and GMC. The Cadillac, you can tell that's a Cadillac coming down the highway.
No doubt about it. Yeah, absolutely. Interior highlights. Layered instrument screen. In front of an infotainment screen is the actual instrumentation for the car. A faux wood trim that looks real with accessory controls around the driver, rich leather surfaces and massaging, comfortable seating, tons of powered connections throughout the cabin. Cargo trunk room, massive, with the third row seating folded down. What I liked, the handiness of its size. Next size up would be a school bus. What would use improvement? Kitchen sink, perhaps, maybe throw that in there. Turn signal indicator in the HUD, the head-up display. It is not in there. So if you had to use the turn signal and you got the head-up display on, you ain't going to see the turn signal in there. Just a little something. 6.2-liter V8 gasoline engine, 420 horsepower, 460 pound-feet of torque, 10-speed automatic transmission. It'll tow up to 8,200 pounds.
Without any struggle.
None. City, 14 miles per gallon. Highway, 18 miles per gallon for a combined of 16. I got 16.5 over 368.1 miles. What I liked about it, plenty of power. What could use improvement? Weight reduction. It's 18 feet long and weighs 5,635.0 pounds. That's a lot, brother.
Yep.
You know, cars, 3,000 to 3,500 pounds. It's almost twice the weight of a car. what I liked about the handling, the ride, the smoothness of that air suspension. Don't touch it. It's wonderful. Base trim price, $113,695. Prices tested, $121,315. Base model price, this is kind of surprising, $79,295.
Yep.
Go try to find one of those. You're not going to find it. Competitors, Land Rover Range Rover Sport, $85,075. BMW X7, $81,900. The Mercedes-Benz GLS, $87,000. Just to throw this out there, the Chevy Suburban High Country, which is the top of the line, starts at $81,895. That's a lot.
It's a lot.
You said air suspension. This has got the electromagnetic ride, correct?
No, this is air suspension.
This is air suspension.
Yeah, yeah. That's available, so just thought I'd throw that out there. All right, that's the review of the Cadillac Escalade. In Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Just look for In Wheel Time Car Talk. We also video stream on Facebook, YouTube, and InWheelTime.com. Podcasts available from your favorite podcast provider. The In Wheel Time Car Talk Show continues after this quick break.